Sir, you can start now, sir. I'll make you as a host.
Yes, ma'am. The course disable participant screen sharing. This shall I give okay and then share. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah.
Sir, you can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, all of you, my dear students.
Good evening, sir.
This is Meenakshi Sundaram, MSc, MPhil, PhD, and BA, BEd, BCA. Can you hear my voice, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I am a biology teacher for you. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the topic reproduction in organisms. Before that, we should know what are the type of question they may ask and which part they give more importance and how many questions it will be easy, or some of them are very hard and some of them are very tough in nature. Okay. See, before that, what are the subject already we are going to study, so zoology, chemistry, and botany and physics. Each part, which one is your strength, which is your weakness, which subject your opportunity, and which one is very threatening. These things you must note it down very carefully. Okay. If go to the next one is how they ask the questions. Each session has a two part. Part A and part B. The first A part, 35 questions is the you must attend without any left. In part B questions, out of 15, you must attend 10 questions. So total 35 plus 10, you will get 45. Each questions carry out 4 marks and you will get 180. So likewise, they may be split into other subjects also. Total marks 720. Already you know about the things also. So you must concentrate on botany as well as zoology, 11th as well as the 12th portions. Okay. Okay. So these are the subject we are going to study. Total how many chapters is there? There are 38 chapters is that. Then next, what are the type of question they may ask? The past 7 years we analyzed what are the type of question they may ask. See, I have listed here. First one is called as fact and definition type of questions, and second one is statement type of questions, and third one is assertion reasoning type of questions, and then fourth one matching type of questions, and fifth one diagrammatic based question, and last one is called as critical thinking type of questions. So you have to analyze it. These type of questions are already present in the original question paper. So you have to do one thing. You must download all the questions papers, past 5 years question paper, original. Okay. Then you analyze it. What are the topic? What are the type of questions? Which subject they are giving more important? Like that you have to analyze and find out the question which is very important. Okay. Then these are the things you must note it down. And the other one is you have to put your effort. What is that? Hard work, practice, and also practice is very, very, very important. Okay. Total, when you are going to attend the exam, before you must attend 100 questions. 100 questions each subject, then only you will get succeed. Okay, keep on practice, then only you will get the dream truths. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the topic reproduction in organisms. You know a little about what is meant by reproduction, why reproduction is very, very essential. Okay, without reproduction, there is no generation, isn't it? Okay, so organism, how they are reproduce themselves, whether it may be what are the parameters, what are the characteristics is there. See, first one is called as reproduction. First, we are giving the introduction and definitions. Definitions. Reproduction is defined as the biological process in which an organism gives rise to young one. Reproduction defined as the biological process in which an organism gives rise to young one, otherwise called as offspring. Whether mother is the mother, father, and also the offspring is a child. After that, get married, what will happen? And also grandson is also. It is a generation wise, it's going on. Similarly, to itself, parent is also is called reproductions. Okay, this is very, very important. Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to a young one. The young one is called as offspring. Similar to itself, similar to that of the parent, it will not vary. Okay, so is called as reproduction. Okay, reproduction enable the continuity of the species, generation to generation. I already told you, each and every species, they are having the own continuity of the species, generation wise. For long period, you can take an examples of the first origin is the water. First living organism is originated from the water molecules. Okay, how it will be developed due to the evolutionary aspects. How it will be produced more than 10 or 100 numbers due to the presence of what you know. Reproduction is the main character. Okay. What are the next one? The organism habitat, its internal physiology, and several other factors. Habitat is also one of the things. And internal physiology. What is the internal physiology? Internal means internal. There are so many components in physical and maturation, and also there are so many components. What are the components? You know, a phytohormone. Take an examples of plant. The phytohormone is essential for the reproduction. Okay, and then in human beings, for example, in animals, there are sex hormones is also essential. That is called as internal physiology, and several other factors also collectively responsible for how to it reproduces. What is by several other factors? Take an example of climatic conditions, cold or whatever it may be. These are the things are very, very essential for the reproductions. Particularly, these are the factors induce the reproductions. Okay, what are the next? Reproduction is not restricted to the organism level only. Organism level only. The organic molecules such as nucleic acid, particularly, you know about what is the nucleic acid? When the single cell organism divided into two halves, how it will be divided? One is called as nuclear divisions. That is called as karyokinesis. Okay, karyokinesis divisions of the nucleic acids. And another one is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis, cytoplasm also divided into two halves. Here, what they are doing, how the genetic material how the general characteristics transfer from one generation to another generation means the organic molecules such as nucleic acids undergoes the replicate by method is called as replication. Replicate means what is the mean? DNA present in the center of the nucleus. Each and every cell is made up of nucleus, isn't it? It is a genetic material. It is also transfer one generation to another generations. Then only the daughter cell is called as the offspring, also similar to that of the parent. Okay, so nucleic acid is very, very essential, and also undergo the replication process. You will get the exact copy of the parent. Exact copy of the parent. So likewise, when organisms, or whether it may be plant or animals, undergoes the reproduction or replication process, how it will be is similar to that of the parent. Okay. Okay. According to the DNA, according to the cellular content, the plant as well as animals, they are classified into two categories. So one is called as acellular. What is meant by acellular? Acellular is nothing but the absence of cell. At the same time, it comes under the getting known as protista. What is the meaning of protista? You can take an examples. Already you studied. Protista is nothing but the, what is that? A small microorganism. It is a eukaryotic in nature. What is meant by eukaryotic? Single cell eukaryotic nature. What is meant by prokaryote? What is meant by eukaryote? First you should know. Prokaryote means, pro means primitive. Karyon means nucleus. It possesses a primitive characteristic nucleus. Okay. And also cytoplasm is there, and the nucleus is also there. Other cell-bound organelles. What are the cell-bound organelles? You know about, other than the nucleus. Okay. So cytoplasm. Inside, what happened? There are so many accessory organelles, cell-bound organelles present in it. One is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum also divided into two: rough endoplasmic, smooth endoplasmic, Golgi apparatus, and also centriole, vacuole, mitochondria, and ribosomes. These are the things. These are all are present in it. That in a single cell is called as, what is that? Eukaryote. The protista also comes under the getting known as single cell eukaryotic. Okay. Prokaryote means, what is the meaning of prokaryote? Similar to that of the protista, but at the same time, the center nucleus has cytoplasm only present in it. Other component, all other accessory organs completely absent. Completely absent. Okay.